PLR Me Review 2026, Best Website for PLR Digital Products. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what PLR Me offers and whether it's actually worth your money if you want to build a digital products business in 2026. PLR Me is a platform that gives you access to done-for-you private label rights content, meaning articles, ebooks, courses, and more that you can rebrand, edit, and sell as your own. It's been around for over 18 years, and the library now holds more than 18,000 products across 69 categories, with roughly 85 new products added every single month. Step 1. Know who this platform is really built for. PLR Me leans heavily toward coaches, therapists, consultants, and course creators, covering topics like anxiety, weight loss, parenting, money management, business, relationships, and stress management. If you're in the health, wellness, or personal development space, this is where PLR Me really shines. Step 2. Understand how the content is delivered. Every product comes with editable source files, so you can add your own name, logo, colors, and voice before publishing it under your brand. Step 3. Learn the credit system. Instead of a flat subscription with random content, you buy credits and use them to download exactly what you want. Simple items like affirmations or wallpapers cost as little as 1 credit, while credits themselves can run as low as around 31 cents each on higher tier plans, or a few dollars each if you go pay as you go with no subscription required. Step 4. Check what plan fits your workflow. PLR Me offers monthly and annual memberships, plus an unlimited plan for heavy users who want full access to the entire library without download caps. A typical member uses around 150 credits and downloads over 100 products a month. Step 5. Use the AI Playground. This tool lets you transform any piece of content instantly, which speeds up customizing your downloads without needing writing or tech skills. Here's a pro tip. Don't just use PLR content exactly as downloaded. Take the time to add your own personality, experience, and tone to it, since that's what actually makes the content feel original and helps it perform better with your audience. So that's your full breakdown of PLR Me for 2026. If you create content for coaching, consulting, or digital products, it's genuinely worth testing with a small credit pack before committing to a bigger plan. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more platform reviews, and let me know in the comments, have you used PLR content before?